Video, you will not listen my smiling accent because because this was the murder on the part of the society, on the part of the customs, on the part of the family of the patients. This is murder. This is murder. She is a female lady, very young lady, definitely very young lady, of the childbearing age. 2 days before, she came to the hospital and she get the ultrasound done. She was advised for the C-section because there were history of previous C-section, so it was logical that this time there will also be the C-section. But the family refused, but the patient refused for not doing the C-section, and that was disastrous. And after the 2 days, she came to us with the ruptured uterus. And it's the heart-wrenching thing. It's not a joke. And the baby was murdered. I am consciously using the word murdered because this was the preventable death. Unfortunately, due to delay in the C-section, which is the emergency procedure, it's not a joke. Every person must understand, every family must understand. We are not fond of doing all the surgeries all the time. We do only surgeries when it is needed, when it is indicated, when it goes into the positive aspect of the family, it goes to the positive aspect of that patient. And if you delay, then the consequences, they are the same. Meanwhile, I was talking that 2 days before she came in the private setup for the ultrasound, and they advised, because of breech presentation, the C-section, which is the emergency procedure, but they refused. Now she came to us with the ruptured uterus, and the baby was dead. Definitely. It's the intrauterine death. It's a murder. It's a murder of the very tiny creature, which can be prevented, which might have been prevented. But unfortunately, we are dealing this. Nowadays, the patients and the people, they don't trust on Allah completely. They don't know about the real concept of the health and the illness, which is from the Allah Almighty. They have the trust issues. They think that the doctors can do everything. Stop this thing. Stop this sort of things. We are human beings. We make errors. We try our best for the best humanity, best of our skills, best of our knowledge. So if the disaster happens, it is blamed to the doctor. And if the patient cures, then they say it's because of Allah Almighty. Definitely everything is from the Allah Almighty. Health is also from the Allah Almighty. Illness is also from the Allah Almighty. We are just the source to heal this. Due to all these impacts and the consequences, now there is the emerging concept of the safe surgery. Every doctor is going to do the safe surgery because he is going to save himself. He is going to save his family. He cannot afford the loss of his family and the loss of his reputation and all the things by doing the complicated surgeries. Even he can do this. Even he can do the complicated surgeries. And at the final, there is the loss of the patient. Patient will wander from one doctor to the other doctor to the other doctor and carry on. And this system is going on. This is just because of the trust issues of the people. They think health and illness, it's from the doctor, it's from the surgeon. Surgeon is all and all. It's not there. This is the wrong concept, which you must remember, which you must correct yourself. That health and illness is from Allah Almighty. I am again repeating this thing. We are doctors, we are human beings, we make errors. We do the best of our knowledge and our skills. Just trust on Allah Almighty. And let the doctor do the best for yourself. Don't lose your lives. Don't lose the life of your well-beings, your well-wishers, your friends, your families. Just wasting the time to receive the health activity, to receive the health facility. Finally, At the end, I must say that don't lose the lives of the people. Don't lose the life of the little creatures by just your traditions, your customs, and your controversies. Female is important, his baby is important. There is a matter of two lives. There is matter of not life, one life. So please take it serious. And thank you so much.